Starbucks. Love it or hate it, it is extremely popular, from children to families and wannabe hipsters. Everyone is obsessed with a liquid drug they sell. They even get away with charging insane prices. And it gets worse, not only are they taking over, but they have their own language. Tall, grande, venti? This madness has to end. Oh, hi. This is a job for your favorite internet couple. Oh, wrong one. Welcome back to another video. Our goal is to make some Starbucks drinks better than they do. Well, you know, if you should ever buy from Starbucks ever again. I've been teaching Bree some of my magic tricks, and she's gonna turn this into some Starbucks ingredients. Take it away. Here we go. So we got our ingredients. This is gonna be a pretty simple drink. Apple cider. What is it?
It's caramel apple cider.
Caramel apple cider. Did I get it wrong?
No, you got it.
Okay,
You're good.
all right.
After like the 10th try, but yeah. You got it.
First thing we need.
Apple cider.
Apple cider. Do we have to boil this?
Yeah, well, not boil it. You're gonna bring it to a simmer.
Let's take it over.
To the stove.
And just like that, it is simmered. All right, so we're gonna start with a tablespoon of cinnamon roll syrup. Okay, so we forgot one of the ingredients. So we got our missing ingredient, cinnamon. Ew. So second step is adding some whipped cream. After that, we add some cinnamon. I think sugar would have been better, but I guess it's just for looks. Typical. And then you finish it off with some caramel syrup. All right, and there you have it. It is too hot to pick up. All right, she can burn her hand. There you have it. So, taste test.
If it burnt you, it's definitely gonna burn me.
It's pretty good. Definitely would not pay $4 for a tall at Starbucks.
Oh my God.
She just burned her tongue for sure.
Good, it's okay. Like, it's not something that I would, yeah, it's definitely not something
Now I burned my tongue.
it's definitely not something I would pay like $4 for. But if like we're just making it, sitting around for the holidays, maybe.
There you have it. It's a maybe. Should you buy this at Starbucks or should you just make it at home? This drink, I would say just make it at home. I don't see it being any better at Starbucks than it is at home, so don't spend your money. Let's go on to the second drink. So for those of you who love coffee, this drink's for you. It's a shot of espresso.
So this is going to be a cinnamon Doce latte. I made this syrup. It's just granulated sugar, brown sugar, water, and cinnamon. Okay, you wanna start out with 2 ounces of espresso, and then you want to add a cup of milk to it. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the cinnamon Doce syrup.
I'm not gonna lie, this drink looks kind of good. That actually looks really good. We're gonna move this out of the way.
Then you're gonna add whipped cream.
Top it off with cinnamon, which I think if you get cinnamon sugar, it'd be better. But I guess it's all just for looks. That's good enough. And is that it?
That's it. That's the drink.
It is probably midnight right now, and we're about to take an espresso shot.
Oh yeah.
That looks good.
I gotta go grab the straw.
We don't need the straw.
Not as sweet as I usually take my coffee, but...
You know what? Let's just do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
That just changed the color of the drink.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. You try first.
So this is completely off, like we're going off the recipe here, so. Oh yeah, that is really good. That is super sweet. That's probably 1,000 calories. So we just made a drink that's better than Starbucks.
Oh, for sure.
I don't know how much syrup was in there. It was a lot, but it is really sweet.
It's so good though.
That can't be good for you. On to the next drink. Oh yeah, we didn't give it a rating, so 9.5.
9.5.
All right, final drink. Last drink, best drink, hopefully. Because it's gonna be hard to top this. We're keeping this here because it's that good.
It's the passion tea lemonade.
We forgot the ice. First step, ice. Fill it up there.
So we're going to put 4 ounces of lemonade, so half a cup.
It's about the whole thing. Basically, it's lemonade.
The rest of it up like that. Ooh.
That's good.
That's really good. Okay, alright. Alright, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar to the drink.
1, 2, 2.5, just to be safe. We're getting a sugar high.
1/8 vanilla.
I think most people put in the sound effects. I just made it myself.
1/8 teaspoon of a teaspoon that we're putting in.
That's probably a lot. Oh well. Passion fruit lemonade from Starbucks. Reusable straw.
Okay.
Is it good?
Yeah, I could use a little bit more sugar, but it's good.
Ugh. Yeah, that's pretty good.
You do that all the time. You can never tell if he actually likes something because he always goes, ugh. And then he goes, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Just needs a little bit more sugar. It's
You
about.
just end up pouring this whole thing in.
Yeah, it's about what I would expect to get at Starbucks.
We gotta rate this one.
I give it 8 out of 10. I've had a little bit better. I think it needs a little bit more sugar.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Maybe a little bit more lemonade.
Out of, because we rated the first one the same. Are you done? Okay, so. I know that I rated the first one the same as you. So I'm not gonna do that again. So I'm gonna give this, I was gonna say an 8, but you said 8. You took that rating from me. So 7.5.
All right, this is the end of this video.
Let us know down below in the comments whether you would rather get your drinks from Starbucks or make them at home.
Also, let us know which of these drinks you like the best. So like
and subscribe.
We're gonna try and make more fun videos like this for you guys. Let us know if you want us to try any other drinks for you. And that's pretty much it. Peace out.
This and farted on the camera. I don't know why you would do that.